it doesn't mean that there is nothing coordination between us. We should accept it openly. If we are friends, we will challenge everyone. We are with him. If someone is trying to hurt him, let's talk about the 1975 war, India. Russia openly challenged the US with that. Just come with us. We are
saying we don't need anybody to become a superpower. That's not the thing.
We should not
forget the why other country will invest in your country. They are coming to here just to invest in India because that's the largest market for them. And who has made the largest market?
We want to make a nation, not a market. Are we
how nations will grow? When the company will come here, having a manufacturing sites here, people will get the jobs and all.
We are not labor, we are the workers. There's a difference between labor and worker.
That's not a difference. If company will be here, definitely nations will grow. You are saying that no manufacturing companies will be here, then how will it grow? How will people get the jobs?
And another thing, what kind of just was the Aditya Yoginath's thoughts. What does he say? Even he don't have any sensible thoughts. He say Nandi ko bhagaya ja raha hai. Don't you care about our farmers?
See that's a part of saving our culture. It is also necessary. Saving the culture is also necessary. That's the base of India.
You have seen culture. The socialists have cut a girl. You have seen the culture. What kind of culture is having here? We are having. Do you know the?
Incidents happens everywhere. Incidents happens everywhere. But what kind of actions you are taking that represents you.
What was the religion?
You cannot judge any country by incident.
Harappa. Definitely Sanatan Dharma. But they are actually named the Sumerian religion. It has removed. It belongs to the Sanatan Dharma. No one knows what is the Sumerian religion. But it belongs to the person because there was just single Devi and they used to worship the natural birds, animals and anything. Why should we worship them? Because they are giving something. But what people are doing, they are just worshipping a dustbin.
We are not here talking about what people are doing. We are talking about what government is doing. We are not dependent on the people. Definitely, who is in the power, we will expect something from them.
Are we not living in a democratic country? Are we not living in a democratic country?
We are living in a democratic country. Who gave you the rights? Definitely the government. Who made the government? You have given the votes. You have elected the government. Why will you not ask for the government?
Even our own leaders are not accepting the constitution.
They are doing. Just give the time. And they have growth. They just see the results. Just see the reports of the Modi.
RSS supporting those who deny for the constitution. They want to make their own constitution. Does it make a sound constitution?
Now you are asking questions on constitutions. That's not definitely. Who is giving you the right? You are raising the questions on constitutions and all.
Actually, your whole debate is on casteism and religion, which is not a good thing. Actually, these casteism, Sanatana is not a thing which can take our India, which push our India towards technology. There are certain things. Every year, our Shri Narendra Modi ji address India, and every year they inaugurate several activities. For example, in DRDO, they made a certain airspace for us, for our India. So don't you think that these things will attract every country that our India is?
Sir, ISRO is lacking of funds because Indian government doesn't support very well. And another thing, they don't see the efforts. They see that how much they are investing, but they don't care about what will they earn for us. If there are many countries who ask for India just to implement its satellite in the orbit of the Earth. But what happens if they are demanding even 100 crores? Government will raise the question, why are you demanding? This is happening. If we are by investing 1,000 crores, if they are earning 5,000 crores, what's the big deal with them? Is there any wrong with that? Shouldn't we support them? Even if we distribute the whole money to every single individual, it will cost around 2 rupees, 3 rupees per person for every Indian. Is it more? If they are giving something to us, they are not. Even our first rocket was taken on the bicycle. But many leaders were having cars at that time. So don't you think that what kind of status they are having in their mind? They didn't give a single car even for just to give a rocket to the Sriharikota. Corruption, leaders, and we need to understand that what kind of things they are having. They don't care about ordinary.
If you talk about the corruptions, so we had 143 ranks in the corruptions. Now we have increased and is 77th rank. So don't say after digitalization it has also lost.
That's why Nirav Modi. That's why Nirav Modi has got that.
Cashless transaction was important for the any nations earlier also.
Nirav Modi.
Why it has happened now?
Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya, that's how they got profit from the digitalization of India. This is the way.
See, there are many nations.
They are
if
not
you-
caring about security.
See, just taking the dark sides, you cannot grow. Definitely. You just making it a brighter side, you will grow. So we cannot expect. You are not seeing that how it has grown up in the few years.
9,000 crore.
What you have done in the last 60 years, you are not talking about that.
9,000 crore, 28,000 crore. Is it less money? If 2% did this, you will.
Who was in the power?
Huh?
Who was in the power?
Who was in the power?
Yeah.
Just Modi just came into the power at that time.
So now you can see.
And Modi came after 60
Bilkis
years.
Bano case.
You can blame other.
Definitely, you should give the time.
Bilkis Bano case. Bilkis Bano case. 11 criminals have just taken out from the jail at the 15 August. Is it a way for justice? 11. Is it a way on the Independence Day? 11 days came out from the jail. Is it a way that how India can be?
It's not a-
I don't think so.
That's not the
It
matter.
matters a lot.
That's not matter, brother. You should need to know that how much.
Leaders were welcoming them by food. Okay, you say that Congress was a corrupt government.
We are not saying that Congress. You have given the topic. We are not saying that Congress was the correct party. We are talking about what we have. How can we grow with that?
Your
We
partner
are
is
talking about
accepting.
that.
Your partner is accepting that.
I'm not saying a single word, bro.
And another thing.
We are not saying that they have the corrupt. We are saying definitely. If you talk about the armies, we have one of the largest armies.
It's not about
We have one of the largest armies.
It's about
We are
security.
fourth in the navies.
Security.
We are fourth in the navies.
Nuclear submarine. We are totally dependent. We are having just 3 nuclear
We
submarines.
have now. We have definitely we have.
Just
But
3.
we are not in a
And they
war
all belong to
situation.
the
But
outsiders.
these things
You know how
implement
much
we are in a
it
war situation. We are not in a war situation. We
Yeah.
are here for our future. Our India is a superpower country, and it's not. We are not saying this. Other countries saying this. Yes, definitely in future India will definitely become a superpower country. It's not our thoughts. It's not our
Sir,
assumptions.
if we are not able to respect our own flag, you have seen on the Independence Day.
How can we respect our own
Let me
flag?
complete.
No, how can we
Let
respect?
me complete.
You are just giving.
Let
you
me
are just
complete.
giving. Have not
Let me
done
complete. Let me complete. I have seen many people who used to.
Why are you talking about the people's brother?
Bhagwa, I was just above the
Oh,
Tiringa.
come on.
Everything
Listen,
above the Tiringa.
listen.
Tiringa matters more.
Everybody respects their flag. Everybody is
Not
respect.
all.
If you go to
Not
the foreign
all.
countries, they all are respecting their
Not
flag.
all. If people are doing something like that, why government is not taking steps?
Because we have
Government is taking a step. Government is already
I
taking
have
the
not
actions.
taken
brother.
a single step. I have not listened.
If the government will not take step, you will come to on the road definitely. Government has to take this step, and they are taking it. They are making it better.
Where?
You look at the infrastructure. We all are living in Delhi. You will see in the coming years the Delhi stations will have a good infrastructure.
Delhi,
you are talking
fourth most population, most polluted place in the world. Fourth most.
Okay, do you know which is the first most populated polluted state? Do you know which is the first most populated
I think
polluted
it is
state?
in USA. I think.
US, and do you know US status in terms of superpower, in terms of technology?
They are the number one. Definitely. So you cannot judge if some countries populated
They
they
debate.
will not grow.
They debate on the ideas. They debate on technology. They don't.
So
debate-
we have the better ideas,
They
brother.
don't surround a person like a Divya.
We are also investing in the ideas. Government is also investing in the new startups nowadays.
But no tax holidays. Do you know? We our Indian population is 140. Yes, okay. So out of which 50% is below 35 years, and 65% is below 25 years. So don't you think that because of this our India can?
That provides the
Question.
workforce.
Question.
That provides the
Let me
workforce.
complete.
Let me complete. Let's talk about our adults, our generation. From Google to Chanel, from UK Prime Minister, everywhere is Indian regional people. Don't you think that these people can